Yes, students, let's discuss your exercise 3.1. First question is given to you. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. And we have to represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So whenever you are having the age questions, then first we need to suppose their present ages, and here we have two persons. The first person is Aftab and the second person is his daughter. So we need to suppose their ages as X and Y. So let's do this question. Let age of Aftab be X years, then the age of his daughter be Y years. So he is talking about 7 years ago. So 7 years ago, age of Aftab was X minus 7. As we discussed that if your age is now 10 years, then 7 years ago your age was 10 minus 7 means 3 years. But here we cannot solve, we will just write it as X minus 7. Age of his daughter, here daughter's age is Y. So it means the daughter age was Y minus 7. Then according to question, he is saying Aftab's age was 7 times than his daughter's age. You try to need to get this thing that if your father's age is 30 years or I can take it 70 years, and he is saying that his age is 7 times of your age, then what you will do, you will multiply, you will write the father's ages on this side and you will multiply your age with 7, then only you can keep them equal. If we have to keep two things equal, then whichever is already more, that we have to keep on one side, and the other side to balance we have to multiply on the other side. In the same way, here age of Aftab is X minus 7, then it means if we want to keep them equal by this equal sign, then we need to multiply 7 with the age of the daughter. So 7 into Y minus 7. So we got here X minus 7 equal to 7Y minus 49, which we can easily bring on this side, these terms. So it will be X minus 7Y minus 7 same plus 49, and minus plus are always minus and the sign comes of the greater one. So we have got the equation X minus 7Y plus 42 equal to 0. This is our one equation. In the second one, he is saying the age of Aftab will be 3 times after 3 years. So let first of all, what is the age of Aftab after 3 years? His present age is X. So after 3 years, his age will be X plus 3. Age of his daughter will be Y plus 3. Now according to the question, he is saying the age of Aftab will be 3 times. So we will keep it 3 into Y plus 3 as I have explained earlier. Then we can easily multiply it with 3 and bring these terms on the side. So X minus 3Y plus 3 minus 9. So from here we have got X minus 3Y plus minus, the terms get minus 6 and the sign comes of the greater one, so that's why it comes minus 6 here is equal to 0. Now these are our equations. In your first exercise, it's given to you that we have to represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So algebraically we have represented that these are the two equations. First is this one and the second is this. Now we need to show it graphically also. What is the meaning of graphically? Graphically means that you need to show it on the graph. So we need to find the solutions for this equation. The first equation is X minus 7Y plus 42. So we can easily find the solutions for X and Y as we have done in the class 9th chapter 4. You need to suppose any one value and just put in the next. Then you will get the value of the next. How it will be done? As like X is equal to 7Y minus 42. Now we can suppose any one value as it is supposed here. Let Y is equal to 6. If Y is equal to 6, then it will be 7 6 42. So 42 minus 42, we got the value of x is equal to 0. If we suppose the value of y as 7, then 7 sevens are 49 minus 42. So x value will be 49 minus 42 is equal to 7 as it is shown here. In the same way, if we take y is 8, let y is equal to 8, then 7 8s are 56 minus 42. So it is equal to 14. So we got a table. We have to show it in a table way, in a tabular way here. You write the x and y. Y, if y was 6, then x we got 0. When y is 7, x we got 7. So write the same. When y was 8, then x was 14. So 8 and 14. In the same way, you have to solve the next equation also. It's given to you x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. So take these both the terms on the other side. So x is equal to 6 plus 3y. So let y is equal to 0. If y is equal to 0, then x will be 6 plus 0 is 6. Let y is equal to 1. If you have taken x, y is equal to 1, then 6 plus 3 into 1 is 3. So 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Let y is equal to 2. So if y is equal to 2, then 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 6, we will get the value of x is equal to 12. So we got the table here, x and y, where x is 6, then y is 0. Where x is 9, y is 1. Where x is 12, y is 2. Now we need to show them in a graphical form. So we need to show it on the graph. How to represent it on the graph? Take a graph paper and mark with the equal intervals as we have taken here 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on. Why we took it? It's wrong here. You have to take it 24. It will be 24 here. So then in the same way you can check on y-axis also 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 and so on. Now we need to represent. So first of all, let's pick our first table. It was there 0, 6, 7, 7, 14, 8. Let's represent here 0, 6. 0, 6, it means x is 0 and y is 6. Then the next point was 7, 7. So you will take 7. 7 will be there. This is your 4 and 8. So in between 4 and 8, you need to show that this one is 6. So this one will be the 7. So you need to represent the point here 7, 7. And then the next will be there 14, 8. So x is 14. X 14 will come in between 12 and 16. This one is the line 14 and 8. So this one is the 14, 8. Then you have to join all these points. So you will get a line like this. In the same way, the next were the points 6, 0, 9, 1, 12, 2. Let's come to this. Here x is 6 he is saying and y is 0. So this point will come 6, 0 here, where y value is 0 and x value is 6. Then 9, 1. 9, 1 will be there. It is there in between 8 and 12. This point is 10. So in between 8 and 10, you have to take 9 and then 9, 1. So then the next is there 12, 2. So 12 and in between 0 and 4, the middle point is 2. So this will be your 12, 2. So now we can join this. And one more thing, when you join it, you will get this line till here and this line till here. But we need to show them, we need to extend them until they will not intersect each other. So we will draw this more, we will produce this line, and in the same way we will produce this line. Wherever they both will intersect each other, that is called the solution of the equation. How to get the solution of the equation? Whatever will be the coordinates of this point, you need to find the coordinates, as like from here you can get, and from here you will get the y coordinate, whatever the value comes. Here it is coming 10 and here it comes 42. So your x and y value will be your solution. Thank you everyone.